Welcome back, everybody. Today in the shop we have one of Powertrain Products' LS swap engines. This is the LM7, and today we have Pat with us who's going to talk to us about, first off, why did Powertrain Products choose the 5.3?
Well, 5.3s are readily available. They're in Chevy, GMC trucks from 99 on up to around 2015. It's easy to get parts for them, whether it's aftermarket or OEM replacement, and it's basically cheap, reliable horsepower.
So we have a solid application with parts readily available. Now, what has Powertrain Products done to upgrade this engine?
Well, this is basically the same engine we sell all day for your OEM replacement 5.3s. It's got Hyper-Utech pistons, chromoly rings, Vitec valve seals. It's got the cathedral port cylinder heads, and we got a heavy-duty, high volume oil pump and a truck oil pan. What we have done to it that makes it special is we've swapped in a custom cam with heavy-duty springs, and it made about 400 horsepower on an engine dyno, 400 foot-pounds of torque. So it gives you good reliability and drivability while giving you a nice little bump in horsepower.
So you mentioned a lot of Chevy, a lot of GM, LS family. Do we have to just put those into the LS families, or what can I put this engine in?
You can put this thing into everything. You can do it for a Chevy truck. Swap out your 4.8, 5.3. You can put this in there. You can put it in like a sand rail. You can put it in an old muscle car. You can put it in like a 1982 Camaro. You put it in import cars like BMWs. They stuff them in Miatas. They even put them in Mustangs.
So you mentioned I can use this as a stock replacement in my Chevy truck.
Yeah, you can. Definitely. It'll drop right in. Same motor mount, same intake manifold, as long as you have the cathedral port intake manifold. But you need to change injectors and you need to get it tuned, otherwise it won't run right. And if you don't get it tuned or anything like that, we won't warranty it.
So Powertrain Products has the best warranty in the industry. What kind of warranty does an engine like this with 400 horsepower come with?
It's a parts-only warranty for 2 years. Basically, you can change the intake manifold, put headers on it, that kind of thing, do a mild build. You can't swap out anything. You can't change the cam to something you want. You can't put nitrous on it. You can't turbocharge it or supercharge it. Otherwise, that'll definitely void the warranty.
Well, there you have it, guys. Give us a call today to get yours and talk to one of your drivetrain geniuses at 888-842-0023.